शेर बनाऊं, 1.25 लाख से एक लड़ाऊं, तब है गोविंद सिंह नाम कहां।
Good morning to respectable Sanika ma'am, Payal ma'am, the teachers and the students. I Gulna.
And I Abhinur from class 3D. We are here to conduct today's special assembly on Guru Nanak Jayanti on behalf of Smart Wonder School. Let's invite our friends on stage for a beautiful shabad.
Soy Shabad. I feel like listening to it again.
Don't worry, it's possible, yeah? Just subscribe to our school's YouTube channel and you can watch all the latest videos there.
Wow! I will tell my mother today only.
Now I invite Tanmay to share the thought of the day.
Today's thought of the day is a guru takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. I repeat, a guru takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart.
Very well said. Guru is true inspiration for us.
I now request my friends to share today's thought news headlines.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are 49 foreign universities look to tie up with the topmost Indian institutes. New Jersey chief told high global fuel prices may push India to raise coal productions officially. Himachal elections, BJP promised of the uniform civil code and 33% reservation for women in government jobs. Scientists find the closest black hole to Earth right in our cosmic backyard. Indian phone eyes sending tourists near space in balloon-propelled capsule by 2025.
Good morning everyone, I am Kishan Koti from Smart Wonder School. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast. It will be a partly cloudy day. The maximum temperature will be 28 Celsius and minimum will be 17 Celsius. Humidity will be 58% and wind speed will be 10 km per hour. The sun will set at 5:30 p.m.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news headlines are India beats Zimbabwe by 71 runs and enters semi-finals with England in T20 World Cup. Pakistan defeated Bangladesh by 5 wickets to qualify for the semi-finals. South Africa is out of T20 World Cup. FIFA World Cup begins from November 20 in Qatar. Table tennis player Sharath Kamal at the age of 40 was awarded Khel Ratna on Saturday.
So, Igdars, do you know the significance of Guru Nanak Jayanti?
I know little about him. It would like to know more.
It's celebrated on the full moon day of the Kartik month of the Hindu calendar. Guru Nanak Ji, it is celebrated all over India to commemorate the birth of Guru Nanak Ji, a founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Ji was born on 14 April 1469.
Guru Nanak is regarded as the first Guru of Sikhism.
Bit loud, reduce the mic and mic, pull it down, yes.
Guru Nanak is regarded as the first Guru of Sikhism, born on 14 April 1469 at Raipur Talwandi in Shekhupura, district of Lahore, Pakistan. Guru Nanak was a religious teacher and spiritual healer who founded Sikhism in the 14th century. Guru Nanak laid stress on the oneness of God and the importance of a guru in everybody's life and gave the message of humanity by serving human beings.
The morning of Guru Nanak Jayanti begins with the Prabhat Bedi and the Gurudwara and the takes place in the higher theme. The Sikhs offer their praise and pay homage to the Guru Granth Sahib. Lamps are lit, processions are carried out with free number, community lunches are arranged, and a sweet prasad is distributed throughout the country. Guru Nanak Jayanti inspires people with a message to imbibe knowledge of unity, peace, truth, and harmony throughout the world.
You may now enjoy a short video on the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
He was born in 1469 in Talwandi, now in Pakistan, known as Nankana Sahib. The name of his father was Mehta Kalu and that of his mother Tripta. Mehta Kalu was a revenue official. Guru Nanak was innocent and gentle from the very childhood. While children of his age engaged in playing and making fun and merry, he would sit long in meditation in a corner of the house. He was also not interested in studies in school. Once, Mehta Kalu, after consulting his wife, told Nanak, "Now you are a grown-up boy. We want that you should stand on your legs. These are 20 rupees. Take this amount and invest it in some profitable business. I expect you to earn profit by fair means." Nanak took the money and left home. He came across a grove. There he saw some sadhus sitting in posture and lost in meditation. They seemed to be indifferent to the world. Nanak remembered his father's words to invest the money in some profitable business. He at once left for the nearby village and bought fruits and sweets for the sadhus. He gave fruits and sweets to the sadhus to eat. The sadhus had not eaten any food for a couple of days. They ate it and blessed Nanak. He bowed his head to them in reverence and returned home. When his father came to know that his son had spent his hard-earned money for sadhus, he became angry. He slapped his son. Nanak innocently said to his father, "Father, you had instructed me to invest money in some profitable business. What other business might be profitable than this?" To create feelings in Nanak, his father married him with Sulakna, daughter of Multhan, a resident of Batala. Nanak and Sulakna enjoyed a married life for 6 years. During this period, they had 2 sons. But Nanak was not interested in worldliness like a common man. He spent most of his time in meditation. He used to say, "I live in meditation. Without that, I would die." Once Nanak was staying in the house of a poor carpenter named Lala. He used to serve Guru Nanak dry chapati with sauce. Guruji would eat it happily. A Brahmin named Malik Bhagu of the same place performed a religious sacrifice followed by a dinner. Along with many people of his caste, he also invited Guru Nanak to the grand dinner. Though unwilling, he went to attend the dinner as he was invited many times. Malik Bhagu said, "Guruji, you are born in a Khatri family. Is it right on your part to eat and stay in the house of a Shudra and participate in a religious dinner?" Lala was standing behind Guruji. Guru Nanak took the dry chapati from Lala in one hand and kachori from Malik Bhagu in the other hand. Guruji squeezed dry chapati and kachori. Milk oozed out of the dry chapati and blood out of the kachori. All were stunned to see it. Guruji said, "The chapati of Lala contains the milk of hard and honest labor with pure heart. The kachori of rich man contains the blood of the poor and is not earned with hard labor and honest heart." In the last days of his life, Guruji stayed at Kartarpur for 3 years. On 22nd September 1539, his soul reached the Supreme God. Guru Nanak was the first Guru of Sikh religion. Even today, the teachings of Guru Nanak lead the human beings to the right path.
The students of class 3B have prepared a dance performance. It is choreographed by the students only.
धरती तन होए अंबर सब पे दुख मुके सच्चे पातशाह जी हाथ बन दे मत्था टेक दे तुसी आन फुके सच्चे पातशाह जी हेठा चानन दा दरिया तो मेहर दा बरसे मेघ बाबा जिन थावां ते पाए पैर तुसीं उत्थे अज भी वरते देग बाबा नानक सब थाए ओंकार नानक पार नानक सब थाए ओंकार नानक नूर दा पुतरा चश्मा तू रोशनियां दी रेखाएं एक तेरा ही दरबार सच्चा बाकी सब भरम दिखाए तेरा शब्द सुना बदलन वेग बाबा नानक सब थाने ओंकार नानक पार नानक सब थाने क्यों कार नानक तेरे रूप जिहा कोई रूप नहीं तेरी दीद जिहा प्रसाद नहीं
What a spectacular performance!
I now request our junior school head Ms. Sarika Sharma to share a few words with us.
I think every time that we come for an assembly, we always carry a good message when we move out. Yes or no? Yes. And today's auspicious assembly, I would say, because the greatest message that anyone can give is to live together in peace, And that is what Guru Nanak Ji did. And that is why you know that everywhere the teachings of Guru Nanak are praised, and everywhere in the whole of the world, anywhere you go, you will find a Gurudwara. Yes? So that is the beauty of your good thoughts. When you have good thoughts, everybody appreciates you, even whatever religion you belong to, whatever color you are, whatever language you speak. But if your thought is good, everybody listens and follows. And the greatest message I think that Guru Nanak Ji gave was, let's all share our happiness. And what are the basic things of life? What are the absolute important things of life? Yes. Water, shelter, oxygen. So air we are getting from the nature, from the environment, and after that what do we require? Food and water. and the kind of community langar that we in Sikhism promote, it shows nobody is rich or poor, nobody is big or small in the status, everybody is equal in the eyes of God. We call him Guru Nanak, we call him Ram, we call him Allah, we call him Jesus. Any name we take, God always says, all of us to live together happily in peace. We need to share our happiness. That's most important. We should not have jealousy. That's the biggest thing that we should try to remove from ourselves. We are always feeling, jealous. And that is why when I come to your classes, I say, don't see others what they are doing. Just see within you what you are doing. If you are doing your work well, all is good. All is well. How do we say all is well? All is well. How is all well? How all is well? When we all do our own part and we just take care of ourselves. The minute we do this, we have these 3 fingers at us. You know this?
Yes, sir.
So if you say he is doing wrong, then that means 3 things first you are doing wrong. You understand? So let's learn today that the biggest thing in life, the biggest achievement that we can have. So what was the biggest investment that Guru Nanak ji made according to the video? What was the biggest investment? Yes.
By giving fruits and sweets to sadhus.
Okay. So yes.
Meditation.
Meditation, and meditation itself means to look within ourselves what we are doing. That is meditation. Not just sitting with closed eyes. It means to look within ourselves at what kind of actions we are doing, what kind of work we are doing in life. Yes, someone here was, yes.
And to earn money by ourselves.
To earn money honestly, because we require that for the basic needs of our life. Yes.
To share our happiness.
To share your happiness. So what is the investment that we make, children? That when we give due respect to each one, when we respect everyone, the blessings that you get from your elders, from your teachers, from your parents, from your grandparents, they are the biggest investment of your life. Because if you get blessings, means you've done something good. And when elders and when your parents and teachers bless you, believe me, blessings have a lot of magic. And things happen, the way you want life to be. So, today when we move out, we all will go with a message that we have to spread and share happiness. And happiness can only be spread and shared if we have no jealousy, we have no ego, and we have the feeling of respecting each one. Is that right? So tomorrow will be a holiday for you because we will be observing Guru Nanak Jayanti. So when you will be at home, if you get an opportunity, go and be a part of the langar in the gurudwaras that are near you. Yes, make it a point that you go and enjoy, because that is also learning how all of you go there, sit there, and you get such a lot of peace that when we will be here in the next assembly, I'll ask how many of you could make it, because that also you get that opportunity by good fortune. Alright? So wishing all of you I would say happiness that Guru Nanak Jayanti would bring to all of us in our lives. Be good children and stay good. Thank you.